Welcome to this home, a truly special lakefront log home nestled on nearly 0.81 acres of Maine wilderness, with about 134 feet of waterfront on beautiful Hanson Lake. This is where serene morning coffee meets scenic lake horizons and cozy evenings by the fire. Listed for $329,000, this home blends rustic charm with spacious living, and you're about to see why it lives so much larger than the price suggests. As you approach the property, notice the gravel driveway opening up to sprawling grounds dotted with outbuildings, perfect for storage or future workshop space. The log exterior and shingle roof give this place an authentic, timeless character that instantly tells you you've arrived at something special. Step inside the main entrance and you're greeted by the soaring vaulted ceilings in the living room, a dramatic space that immediately feels grand yet welcoming. Towering logs and rich woodwork create a cabin-in-the-woods vibe that's both elegant and cozy. Sunlight pours in through large windows, framing views of the lake and surrounding woods like living artwork. This space isn't just beautiful, it's functional and comfortable. A heat pump ensures year-round comfort, keeping the space cool in summer and warm through chilly Maine winters. It's easy to picture yourself here, entertaining friends, relaxing with a book, or watching the sunset paint the sky over the water just beyond your windows. Flowing right off the living room, the kitchen is open, bright, and ready for daily living or holiday gatherings. The layout lets you chat with guests in the living space while you're prepping dinner, making this the true social hub of the home. From here, every meal feels like part of a shared experience, not just something you make and eat. The materials and finishes lean into the home's rustic roots, but there's a timeless quality here that keeps it feeling modern and livable, a balance that's tough to find. Still on the main level, you'll find two well-appointed bedrooms and a full bathroom, all laid out thoughtfully for comfort and privacy. The bedrooms offer quiet retreats from the day's activities, with calming views out to the property's green spaces. The bathroom here serves the main floor perfectly, both for everyday use and when guests are over, without ever feeling cramped or utilitarian. Ascend the stairs and discover a charming loft bedroom perched above the living room. From here, you can look down over the vaulted ceilings and imagine waking up each morning with birds chirping and light streaming in. This space is ideal for a guest room, creative studio, or reading nook, a private spot that still feels connected to the rest of the home. Downstairs, the finished basement expands the home's footprint even further. Here you'll find a generously sized bedroom, the largest in the house, featuring its own heat pump and a cozy wood stove, so you can adjust the vibe and temperature however you like. Beyond that, there's ample space for an office, hobby room, or extra storage, giving you flexibility most homes this age simply don't offer. This lower level turns what could have been dead space into functional living that adds real value. Now let's step outside and take in what truly makes this property unforgettable, the lake. A short walk from the back door brings you to the shores of Hanson Lake, all part of your property. Picture morning coffee on the deck, fishing from the shore, or evenings gathered around a fire on the lakeside platform built just for soaking in the serenity. Whether you're into quiet nature views or outdoor adventure, this backyard is where memories are made. To wrap up, 182 Bagley Road isn't just another house. It's a rare blend of rustic charm, spacious living, and waterfront beauty. With over 2,200 sq ft of finished space, multiple living areas, flexible rooms, and direct lake access, it checks nearly every box for buyers looking for a forever home or vacation getaway. If you love the idea of peaceful lake life with the convenience of functional living spaces, all wrapped in classic log home appeal, this Mapleton property might just be your dream home.